So today in this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer files from your PC to your phone using Phone Link. So without any further delay, let's get started. To, to begin the process, tap on the search bar on your PC and search for Phone Link. Open the software. Now you need to choose your phone's operating system. Since mine is Android, I am selecting Android. As you can see, a QR code has appeared on the screen. You need to scan this QR code using your mobile device. So let me scan it with my phone. After scanning the QR code, tap on the link and install the software on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Now you can see a code has been appeared on my PC screen. You need to enter this code on your mobile phone. My phone screen is black due to security reasons. After entering the code, allow all the permissions that appear on your mobile phone. After completing all the setup steps, you can now send files from your phone to your PC. To do that, tap on the send file option on your phone. Select the files you want to send and tap on send. As you can see, the file has been sent successfully. Now go back to your PC and open File Explorer. You will see a new folder named Phone Link. Open that folder and you will find your photos and files there. So that's how you can send files or photos from your phone to your PC. Now if you want to send files or photos from your PC to your phone, go to your phone and tap on Receive File option. Then allow the permission. After that, go back to your PC, open File Explorer, and right click on the item you want to send. Now select Send to my phone. Once you do that, your photo or files will be sent directly to your phone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe for more helpful content like this. Thank you for watching.